Hi, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the lid hinge screw on your washer model. The reason you might need to change this part is if the screw is rusted out or missing. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. So this is our washer model. Yours might look different. Just keep in mind, these same techniques can apply to any washer appliance. The first thing we're going to do is open up the washer door. So this is our lid. We're missing one of our screws right here. So in order to fix that, we're going to grab our new OEM replacement lid hinge screw. If you don't have one of these screws already, you can find them on our online store. So with your Phillips head screwdriver, simply screw the new screw in. Once the new screw is in, just close your door and your repair is complete. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us to create these free videos for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, and share. And if you really like our video, please subscribe down below.